As an employer, how can you reliably protect employees from sexual harassment at work and properly implement legal obligations in the company? Firstly, we would like to give you some important information about sexual harassment at work. Unlike in private situations, this is always forbidden in the work context. That is regulated by law. Protection from sexual harassment at work also applies on business trips, at company parties, during breaks, as well as for text messages, emails, phone calls, and so on. The difference between harassment and flirting is clearly defined. Flirting involves mutual consent. Sexual harassment, however, is an unwanted form of behavior. It is always the harassed person who decides if a form of behavior is unwanted. If possible, she makes this clear straight away whenever it occurs. Sexual harassment can be verbal, non-verbal, or physical. It doesn't matter if someone tells a suggestive joke, stares inappropriately, or touches someone against their will. What are employers responsible for in this context? Employers are legally obliged to prevent sexual harassment. In most cases, they alone are responsible for taking measures. How can employers prevent sexual harassment and discrimination effectively? Place a special focus on the management, because managers are also role models. If they understand this topic well, they will be able to give their employees the support they need. Set up clear rules that are well communicated to everyone. Use examples to explain what kind of behavior is forbidden. Develop a procedure for dealing with complaints. We would be happy to help you develop suitable measures and implement them in your company. We use strategy workshops for things like internal processes, training for managers, information events for employees, and workshops for teams. With the Fürstenberg Institut at your side, you are sure to properly implement and comply with the legal obligations on sexual harassment and discrimination at work. Feel free to contact us for further information.